Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to create new folder in Samsung A18. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.